welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I love this time of the year. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's.
And birthdays!
Valentine's Day. And birthdays. It's all year round. So you know what I miss the most about going vegan on the holidays? We miss out on the candy. Hardly any candy is vegan, which really sucks.
It does suck.
Until now. Today we're going to make a vegan PayDay bar. This was one of my favorite candy bars before I went vegan. So chewy, sweet, nutty, salty. So today we're going to make a healthy version, and it's not going to taste healthy. It's going to taste just as good or even better than the original. So we're going to be using as the main ingredients today Medjool Dates. So these are not youngsters. They're a little senior, but even if you do have young ones, you're still going to want to soak them a little bit because you don't want to have your blender work too hard to mix them up. So I've got some boiling water that I just boiled over here. And I'm going to pour it on top of the dates. Don't worry, all of the measurements and the list of ingredients will be in the info box below. So just enjoy the video, kids. Let this sit for 15 minutes and then I'll meet you right back here. Alright, these have cooled off already. So we're just going to take the pit out. To take the pit out, you just squeeze it and you'll see there's a little, looks like a little piece of wood in there. Sounds like wood too when you drop it in there.
You don't want to eat that.
That would be very bad. You would definitely break a tooth on that. So I'm just going to do all of these and put them in the food processor. And we'll put the rest of the ingredients in, and then we will be really almost there. Alright, we've got all of the dates in here. We're going to be adding some melted coconut oil. That's going to help it stay firm when it's cooler. We're also going to be adding some stevia drops. I got mine at Trader Joe's. So I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm going to do 20 drops.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
We're also going to add in some beautiful vanilla extract. And the final ingredient for this part is some peanut butter.
Oh yeah! You're flinging it everywhere!
It goes all over. Alright, let's give this a good mix. See what happens. Hopefully it won't catch on fire. Whoa!
Club is bumping.
Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Ooh, it smells really good.
Right? Let's just make sure that it's completely mixed and that there's no big pieces of dates in there because that will ruin the illusion. So once we make sure it's completely mixed, let's put it in a little bowl and let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Alright, this is firmed up a little bit, so we're going to take our scoop. This is probably a 2 tablespoon scoop. And we're going to drop it into the peanuts.
Oh yeah!
Now you can use raw, that's the original. But I'm using roasted because I like it a little crunchy. So basically what you're doing is just coating the outside in the peanuts and you're making the shape of the bar.
Wow.
Right? It's so beautiful. You might have to press them in a little bit because it's a little oily because of the peanut butter and the coconut oil, so it's not going to stick so readily. But after we shape all of our bars, we're going to pop these in the freezer and then we're going to take them out about 5 minutes before we're ready to have them, and they're going to be amazing. Alright, so this recipe I doubled. So it made about 10 really nice sized bars.
Ooh, it smells so good.
I just took it out of the freezer a few minutes ago.
Am I about to break a tooth on this?
I hope not. I took a half bar because it made like 10 and a half when I doubled it. So it should probably make, if you just do the regular recipe as it's written, it should probably do 5 like king size bars. We like a lot of nuts in ours, so I added a lot of nuts. But it's very customizable. If you go ahead and taste it while I talk. If you if you don't like a lot of nuts, don't use a lot of nuts. Like keep the center part like nougat and then just roll it in the nuts on the outside. But I like it nuts throughout.
I swear to God, this tastes like a PayDay.
Whoa!
That's so good. Try a piece.
All right.
Just the right amount of crunch.
Mmm.
Looks like payday is back on the menu, boys.
It's got that taste like a payday. Like, you know,
Yeah.
no, like, but even the smell.
It's all there.
Wow.
You nailed it.
Thank you. I hope you guys try it. It's really good. We're gonna have more candy recipes leading up to Halloween.
Yeah.
Halloweeny. So, subscribe for more. Like if you like the video. And until next time, much love.